Hi guys, welcome back. So you may be thinking what we're doing today. Yeah, so we're currently going to try to survive Hurricane Ida. Currently pretty far away from shore. What do you mean, bro? It's like a couple hours away. Yeah, we're going to be experiencing the worst. So we're about, I don't know, Port Wembley somewhere? Yeah, I don't know. We're very close to the beach right now, so the winds will be extremely violent. We're going to also plan to be in the core at Lee. So I mean, we could miss the core, maybe. Oh, oops, sorry guys. Hey guys! Bro, we came into space to be survive. Why? I mean, we got residents in here. Oh, yeah. We got residents in here trying to survive the hurricane, so we need to keep people safe. We have this huge wall. We also have, I'll show you guys. This huge wall here trying to protect us from the hurricane. And also the floods that may happen. And probably will happen because we are close to the water, so it's probably be a hefty flood and a hefty rainfall. And also some pretty violent winds. People say it could be a category 4 before it hits here. You never know, category 5, guys. Yeah, but there's perfect conditions for a category 5. It's almost the start of hurricane season. Yeah, it's September, bro. Alright, guys, so we're going to probably skip and probably show the radar. So this is a huge day, so we're going to try to make this video good. So let's see what happens. It could be really bad. Alright guys, the winds are starting to pick up now. Yeah guys, it's pretty bad now. How much cape is in the atmosphere? It doesn't matter about the cape. Oh no! Wait guys. One of the walls have just blown over. It's only like 60 mile an hour, guys. Oh god, gosh, 70 miles an hour. Oh, it's really pelting now. But that lasted, this is only a couple hours ahead. Oh god! Oh god, the thing just flew over. Oh god, guys, stay to the ground. I'm trying to keep the base together. Yeah. Whoa, guys. Whoa, I can't see. This is crazy violent, guys. Wait, guys, look at it flapping, guys. Oh no, stupid light. No, not again. Oh god, guys, it's gonna blow over. The wall's not strong enough. Yeah, it's gonna hold, guys. Guys, hold the walls down, bro. There's nothing holding the walls. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no, guys. Oh my god, we have a secondary base. No one's in there though. Oh no! It just fell apart. Oh my god. Sorry about the quality. I can't see. Yeah. Hours later. Oh my god, guys. It's not gonna be. No. Like 100 mile an hour winds. Oh god, get to the van, guys. Whoa. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no, guys. Oh god. Sunny's gone, guys. Like 150 mile an hour winds. Yeah. Whoa. Oh god, guys, I can't see. Oh no. No. Yeah. Whoa, shit. Oh shit, guys. It's really violent. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, guys, calm down. Calm down. Oh god, I got blown up. Yeah. Oh my god, the wind. It's getting worse. He's going to go 5. I can't. Oh my god, I just look at him. Oh no, guys, I can't see. Guys, I can't see. Guys. Oh no, I got the light back. No. going on, guys? Oh. 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 Oh my god, guys. Oh. Oh, guys, we're in the core. How long the core's gonna last for? No idea, broski. It may last a couple minutes. I got debris. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. The winds were really bad. Oh god, bro. It's not raining anymore either, bro. Oh, inequality. Yeah. That was hell, guys. Oh shoot, got crushed by debris. Oh my god, one of the snake props we had earlier. Completely wrecked. Oh. Oh my god, we don't need this on. Oh, that's right. Holy crap. We're gonna skip to one of the cameramen down there to see if they're alright. Alright, let's check the radar. Oh no, so we're currently recording. Got a new member of tornado trackers, but it's currently hurricane trackers now. Extensive damage. Complete it's not bad over here, but it's still bad. So one of us is seriously injured. Oh god. These are 160-mile-an-hour gusts here, Jay. Blew these things apart, but luckily these pillars here, they look like weights, but they're not. I mean, it's just a great design. I mean, I don't know why it has that though. It's meant for machines to carry them higher, but this looks very similar to weights. Very stupid decision of them. But bro, you guys hear any thunder, bro? Yeah, I don't know why. I thought thunder was not meant to happen in hurricanes. Yeah, but this is a Category 5. I thought they were going to say it was Category 4, broski. It's going to get much worse. I mean, I always think it's going to get windier. Oh, the camera, yeah. Oh no, guys, it's getting windier. Oh no. I think this could be when the hurricane strikes. Could be way worse because the backside on the radar looks a lot worse than the front where we got hit. Oh no, it could be like 300 kph gusts, bro. I hope not, because this thing can't hold anymore. Like, bro, there's water everywhere, bro. Like, it's horrible. Yeah, I got drenched. Like, there's like 100 millimeters of water every hour, bro. I've never seen torrential downpours so bad before. Never, broski. I know. Alright, guys, we're gonna go back to the main team. We're gonna start recording. Oh, bro, I almost got flung off. Well, that was their interview. So, we recorded winds up to 163 miles an hour. That's the highest it got. Because I don't know how I was able to point it in the air. I mean, I couldn't even point the wind, so it may have been even higher than that. Oh. Oh no, guys. Oh no, the winds are starting to come back. I know, bro. An hour later. No, 10 minutes. Oh no, guys. Oh, it's dark again. It's getting a little bit worse now. It took us 10 minutes. That call is huge. Oh no, guys. Oh no, guys. Oh no, 100 miles an hour. Oh shit. Oh no, guys. Stop. Oh no. Stop. Guys. Oh no. I can't see, guys. Stop. Oh no, guys. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No, the winds are getting a little bit less sound. Still windy. Definitely windy. Yeah, still windy. Oh, God, guys, what the hell was that, though? Oh, bro, that was bad. Oh God, what was the wind? Oh. 178. Bro, that's almost 300 kph. Probably 300 kph. Oh. Still chucking it down. But we're out the worst of it. Still pretty windy though. Where the hell did the rest go? Oh, this is really frustrating. No, oh my God, guys. Bro. Turn it down, bro. Alright, jeez. Sorry about that. That was a little bit... Oh, it's still bright. Oh, bro. Sorry about the light. It's pretty bright. I know. Why are we still recording now? I don't know, bro. Wait, guys. How'd the wind thing at average? Wait. What was the actual wind thing? 189.56 miles an hour. That's 305 kph. That's crazy, bro. One of the highest wind speeds ever recorded. It's not even close, bro. We've experienced tornadoes at year 5 level, G. Yeah, that's 200 now. Yeah, remember the mega tornado we had in the world record speed limit? No, world speed of about, what was it, hit 137 miles an hour? Yeah, it was really bad. But, you know, so next year they say it's going to be the world record's most Cape and the most chances of mega tornadoes next year. Really bad. Yeah, it could be really bad next year now. Could be, I mean, there was, many people say it could be the first EF6 tornado. Really bad. How high the Cape estimated to be next year on the scientific? About 10,000 Cape. Whoa, bro, that's loads, G. I know, it's looking real violent, bro. Yeah, we're probably going to end this video. We're just talking. We're probably, maybe one day we're going to post the aftermath. Sorry that there was siren going off when the storm was approaching. We didn't say anything about that because I don't know why. So if you hear sirens in the video, that's why. Well, bye guys. Be in the wind. Swim in the hurricane. See you guys soon. Bye. Epic Gamer God goes away.